Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I'm responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another first impression wig unboxing. This is, I believe, the final unit from the Sensationnel Girls Kinks & Co. unit line. This is their role model unit. I did purchase in a jet black one, and it says that this line is recommended for all curl types ranging from 3B to 4C. So as keeping in true fashion, I think that they did an amazing job styling the models for these units. I will say that on all of the units that I've tried and reviewed on my channel, they do look different on the models, and I don't know what it is. Her unit actually looks longer than the unit that I have on right now, because even when I tilt my head, it's not that long. So it looks like she's wearing a completely different unit, and the parting space didn't even look like that. But this is a textured lace wig, so kinky straight, anybody with natural hair, if you want just a break from your hair, then again, like it recommends, it blends very closely to our hair textures. But I would say more so this emulates 4 type hair. It emulates my hair type. I don't want to say a particular type because I have so many different curl patterns going on here, but this is more close to 4 type hair. And then when you open up the information card, it has additional specs here. So this does look like 4 type hair that was blown out and a roller set was done on it. This is a hot water set unit, so if the curls fall, then you can use rollers, dip it in hot water, and refresh the unit, so it does extend that shelf life. So there's really no end point, whereas with straight units, you typically can wear them consistently for 3 weeks to a month, and then you got to throw them away if you're lucky. But with this type of unit, you can restyle it and it can just keep going. It has ear-to-ear soft lace. This says that it can be styled as an updo, but I'm a little bit skeptical about that. It has a deep curved part that I did not use, which you guys will find out in a second. And it does come with baby hair. However, the way that I'm wearing it, there was no need for it, and I wouldn't have styled it with the baby hair anyway. It is made of 100% premium fiber, and then on the back of the information card, it does come with care instructions as well as additional colors that this unit comes in. As you guys can see, the length on this, it is barely, not even grazing my shoulder blade. So it's not a very long unit, and even in the back, it's not, you know, it's like hitting right at the nape of my neck. In terms of the parting space, it does have a deep curved part. However, I didn't use it. You guys, I did mention that I pulled some of the hair to the front to create this bang and then just wear it as a fro, because I didn't like the way that the hair was sitting when it was on that side part. Didn't use any of the combs or the adjustable straps. It fits nicely. However, I will say that this lace is a little bit itchy. In terms of styling effort, I didn't even use a comb. I just went in, apart from using scissors to cut off the lace, and I went in with a comb and I finger separated as I would with a roller set on my own hair. Didn't add any flesh tone powder to the part because you can't even see it. I don't even know where it is right now. Did not use any of the baby hairs per usual. You can't see the hairline. It doesn't really matter. It's pretty round, like well-rounded hairline. So you're getting that baby doll effect. So when it says you can wear it half up, half down, if that's the look that you're going for, great, but that's not the look I'm going for. So I'm not gonna wear it half up, half down. I think I would prefer this, if anything. In terms of luster, I will get close so that you guys can see this. It has a nice, healthy, dull luster. It doesn't look ashy like it needs to be moisturized, and it doesn't look too shiny like plastic, so it makes it look even more believable. It looks like a roller set that has just a hint of oil that you have applied to your fingertips and separated it out. And then I can't remember if I said this, it is big head friendly. I don't feel like it's gonna slide off, and it's not cutting off my circulation. I didn't have to use any of the combs, and I didn't have to adjust any of the straps in the back of the unit. Honestly, with this unit, I'm on the fence because it looks so much like my own hair. I'm expecting it to cooperate like my hair. So when I'm trying to fluff it out and I'm trying to get a certain level of volume and it's not doing it, then I'm like, what is wrong with this? I'm getting frustrated, but I have to remember this is not my hair. I can plop it off and all right, so getting into the specs of the unit, you guys can see that there are 2 combs directly surrounding the parting space. There is 1 comb at the bottom as well as adjustable straps. And this is a curved part. So straight out of the package, this is what the unit looks like. Definitely needs some shaping, some care. let me shift it over. There we go. This is what it looks like with the side part. Ignore my wig cap, but it comes with that customary amount of lace. As always, I'm gonna go in and I'm going to shape this, style it to my satisfaction, then come back to you guys at the very end. But right now, just my initial thoughts. I mean, it has some very healthy, juicy curls, and I think that this is cute, especially if you're in the TWA stage, or if you have super long hair and you just wanna play with some shorter hair, then I think that this is a very cute alternative, something that you can, of course, what do we use wigs for protective style. But the curls on this unit are very healthy, they're very juicy, nice shine to them, so I'm gonna go style them and I'll be right back. All right, so we're back. This is the final-ish product of this unit. I'm actually gonna trim out some more because I can't see anything. But I feel like this looks very Halloween-ish, very cartoonish. I tried to wear it as a side part. I can see better now, so that is good. I tried to wear it as a side part, but I hated the way that it looked. It stood straight up. So the side part, I'm wearing it really as a middle part, and then I took some pieces of hair and brought it forward and then fluffed it out in front, created a bang, and then I chopped off a few curls so that I could see, and here we are. But I feel like this, again, it's very costume-ish, it's very cartoonish. I just feel like it looks very wiggy. And maybe it's because my hair is past this growth stage that I feel like it just looks wiggy, but when I do my roller sets, they don't look like this. You know, I get more volume, and there's only so much volume that I can get with a synthetic unit. So I tried to fluff and fluff as much as I could, but this is the best that I got. But I do think it's cute, especially if you are someone like me who doesn't have heat trained hair. Your hair is super sensitive to moisture, humidity, all of the things. So if you wanted to go take some cute pictures, then you could slap this on, and then you have the definition that you might lose when you step outside. It's been raining for like 10 years in Atlanta, so if I wanted to go take some cute outfit pictures, then I would definitely slap this wig on, and who would know? Would I buy this again? Probably not, because it just looks like my hair. So I guess, like, in a sense that I'm in school and I work and I don't really have time to style my hair, it comes in handy because I can plop it on and it just looks like my hair. But this kind of bothers me to the point where I would just want to go ahead and style my own hair because it looks exactly like my hair. And I think the purpose for me of wigs is to give my hair a break, but then also to try something that I wouldn't normally do. So whether that's coloring my hair, whether that's straightening it, whatever it is, it just gives me a break from my hair. It's not a bad unit, I just don't think that it's a unit for me. Like, major egghead vibes going on right now, but it is a cute unit. So that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, share this video with anybody that you think would find this helpful. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.